Hi there and welcome. My name is Sharon and others know me as Itu. If it's your first time joining me, a special welcome to you. Please stay, like, comment, subscribe to this channel, share this video with those who you feel it will be helpful for. Okay, so today I want to show you how to make this wig. It was actually my first time trying it out. Usually I will wear this hair or this hairpiece as a weave and I loved it so much. The good thing about this hair is that it will last a long time. You can wash it over and over again. I remember at some point in time I had the weave on for about 6 months. Don't judge, half a year. Yeah, I know. But it is super affordable or cheap, as some would say, and you get good quality for your money. I actually want to show you what it looks like. It's called Queener. So what I did was I used 3 packs of this hair. 2 were the same size or the same amount of inches, which was about 16 inch. So I used 2 packs of 16 inches and 1 pack of 10 inch. As you can see, there's still a lot left from the 10 inch because I just use it to fill up where I could, especially at the back, to make it look a little bit more natural. I also used it in color 4 this time. It was my first time using this color. Normally I would go for a darker tone like a color 2, but the color 4 is also quite nice. I see it fits quite well with my skin tone. I would not advise you to go with the black one if you're looking for a natural look, which is why I love this hair, because it looks so natural. It looks very close to relaxed hair. And yeah, I love it because I don't look like you know, I'm wearing plastic on my head. If you are someone that knows how to sew and that has done hair, good for you. It will take you, like, I'm sure an hour or an hour and a half max. For me it took me 3 hours because I'm not such an expert at hair. I've been experimenting in my own time, and it was actually my first time trying this wig. So if you're a newbie like me or you're inexperienced just like me, don't worry, you will get it right. And if you don't get it right, you can try again and you will eventually get it right. So don't be scared of it. I'm not an expert myself, but I still did it. Oh, and I'm also wearing it in a ponytail. Usually when I have it as a weave, I'll put the ponytail a bit higher, and I love it. It looks like my own hair, actually. I get so many people asking me if it's my hair and blah blah blah. So you will not be disappointed with this hair. Let's go ahead and start. For this wig, we are going to need some wool, a needle, some scissors, and a wig cap that you can preferably wash or that will last you a very long time. So a strong wig cap. So meet my little friend Angelica. If you don't have something like Angelica, you can use something that is round, like a round bowl or something like that with the shape of a head. We are going to start off by inserting the wool into the needle and tying a knot on the one side of the needle. We start weaving at the back with a longer hairpiece. What you want to do is take 2 tracks of the hair and start weaving at the back, right at the edge of the wig cap. That will be shown later on. We start by weaving just above the ear so that the front part is not too heavy where the fringe will be, or the front part of the hair will be. You weave from the top of the ear down towards the other side where the other ear is. Once you get to the other side or the other ear, you want to cut off whatever hair is remaining from that track. Then we're going to move on to the next line of hair, which will be a repeat of the same thing that we did in the first line. Make sure that you leave sufficient space between the rows. I use a measurement of at least 2 fingers in between each row at the back. As you can see at the very back of this wig cap, I've started sewing or weaving the hair onto the very tip or the edge of the wig cap. This will also help you if you want to maybe tie it up in a ponytail. That way the wig cap is hidden. Make sure that you leave at least one track of the longer hairpiece so that you can use it at the top of the wig just to close it off. It doesn't have to be 2 tracks, one will be enough. Once you have your leftover and you're already done with the longer hairpiece, we are now going to start sewing with the shorter hair in front. So in front we only use 1 track because we don't want a heavy fringe, otherwise it will not look so natural. Keep sewing until you reach the middle of the wig where you have a round circle just like that. For the sake of time and probably also for your own good, will not be telling you how to close this wig, but if you search on YouTube, I'm sure you'll find great tutorials on how to close a weave or a wig. I myself learned that way by watching others on YouTube. So if you don't know how to do that, go ahead and find a nice informative video on how to do it. Remember to use the longer piece of your hair to close off, to have a nice mixture at the top. So once you are done, you can go ahead and wash it, because I know that sometimes these weaves have or the hair has a bad smell to it. So you can go ahead and wash it with shampoo and conditioner. Also, if you decide to wash it at a later point, you can do the same thing, use shampoo and conditioner. Like I said, you can wash it over and over again and it will look even more natural. So it's even better if you keep washing it. You can wear it for a very long time repetitively if it's your only weave that you have. I mean, there's no stopping you from wearing it every day. So once you are done, you can go ahead and straighten it or blow dry it how you want to. Cut the hair in front how you want to. I love this kind of fringe, but if you are someone that would like those bangs, you can also go and do that. I find that this works well for me. I suggest that you use a razor and not scissors, because a razor will help it to look more natural. As you can see, like, it's not like a straight cut, it looks more professional, I guess. So use a razor instead. Then yeah, style it how you please. You can also if you want it to be curly, you can curl it up. I've never tried that before, but it would be something interesting to try. That's it. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below. If you go and try this hair, please let me know how it goes. Also send me pictures. You can find me on Instagram, share your pictures with me, or you can email me. The email will be below. Let me know how it goes. Also, if you get stuck somewhere, I mean, just ask. I'm here for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.